You boys are wild boys. Hey, don't run into Mommy. No, it's a bit dirty down over there.
What?
Well, they're going to start going down around.
Oh.
That's the fun thing. Like this.
Colby. Watch out, Cooper! Colby's going to get you! Colby. Yeah, he just went straight ahead. You should push, hop off and push it from behind, Colby. Use your handle to push it up the hill.
Okay.
Good boy.
Hey, Mommy.
There you go. Watch out for Mummy's car. Don't run into Mummy's car. Here comes Cooper. How about I stay down the bottom? Move some of these things out of the way.
Hey, you go down there and take a picture of me.
I am taking a picture of you.
No, down there. I don't get to see Mommy.
Come on.
Go right down there.
I am going. Hurry. I've got to get Colby though. Colby's coming. Watch out for Colby.
That way.
Yeah, watch out for Colby.
It says that way.
Okay, come on. Quick. Okay, you go around the corner. Here comes Colby. Not as steep as the other ones. Pedal. Pedal with your feet. Pedal, pedal. Hop off your bikes and push them up. It's easy like this, is it? How about you sit down and pedal?
No, go back down there.
Go back down here. What about Colby? He's going all the way up the top. You right, Pudding? Come on. Yeehaw! Into the garden. Where's Colby gone? Let's go check to see what Colby's doing.
Let me have a look.
How you going, Colby?
How are you going? Are you fine? I'm doing my exercise.
You need to go.
No, I'm doing my exercise. Ready, set, go! No, Toby, no! No, Toby, no!
Watch out, Cooper. Don't let him run over you.
Have to do that?
Watch out, you're going to tip it. It's stuck in the ditch. Come here. Woo. You right, Coop?